I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. We're here with the Buzzaround XL. We're going to be unboxing and assembling this unit. Now this is the newer version of the Buzzaround XL in 2026. They've added the microturn technology. They've added different other features on this unit. So this is not the previous one, this is the 2026 version. So when you order this, it's going to be on a pallet. I've already removed the pallet and it will be in a box like this. We're going to grab our knife. We're going to cut the outside of the box. And then down the middle. There we go. Then just cut carefully when you cut down the middle. I don't want you to cut into the box. There is a piece of cardboard kind of protecting it, but still just to be safe. So then up front we have our phone holder. And then our battery charger. You'll also see sitting up top is our flag and our owner's manual. And then in the back here where I am, you have your arms. We'll get those out of the way. And then here on the other side, I can see our battery pack. Now this version is a little different than the Buzzaround XL Plus. This one does not have the lithium batteries. This one has the CO lead acid batteries. I believe they're 12 amp batteries. So this battery pack's a little heavier than the XL Plus if you're familiar with that unit. And then on this side we also have our basket, and inside the basket is our blue shrouds. The scooter comes in red. You can change them to blue if you prefer this color. Now I'm going to remove some of this foam. There we go. So now I got a pretty good look at the scooter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my knife. I'm going to cut the edges of the box. There is this protective cardboard in there, but just double check, make sure before you start cutting. But I'm going to cut the corners so we can easily get this out of here. There we go, so you can see the scooter pretty easily. I'm just going to do the other two corners. So now you can see I got a pretty good look at the scooter. I'm going to take a second and remove this foam, then we'll get this out of the box. Now we're going to get the tiller up and out of the way. Up front here, you have a little knob with some interlocking teeth. We're going to loosen that. This one's actually already loose. Tilt it forward, then we're just going to tighten it again. That way we can get our seat out of the way. I'm just going to make sure it's tight so it won't fall back on me. We'll move our seat out of the way. And we got some more packing material. And then now to get this off of the foam, what I like to do, since this unit doesn't weigh that much, the heaviest piece is going to be the front at 42.5 pounds. Obviously that's a lot of weight to pick up in one go, but if we just tilt it forward, you can very easily grab the foam and take it out. Just gonna gently lift the front, drop it back down, and then you can get the foam out from under the scooter and then just push it out of the box rather than trying to lift it over these, because altogether it is a little heavy. So now to push it off, we got our neutral lever back here. We have the lock and the unlock position. I'm gonna go to the unlock position. That will allow these wheels to freewheel. And we're just going to roll it out of here. Now there is a steer lock on here as well. So up front you have this little lock right here. We're going to turn this to the left. That'll release the wheels so that we can get this off the pallet or out of the box. So now I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to clean up all this material and we're going to get to the assembly of the scooter. Now I have all the packing material out of the way. I'll show you what all we have. We have our front basket, and our cup holder is also in that front basket. You get your blue shrouds, got your battery pack, owner's manual, charger, cell phone holder. You've got your flag, the actual scooter, and then up front we have our basket and then our two armrests. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to install the batteries. So this is your battery. It has a charging port on the front if you want to leave the scooter disassembled in your vehicle and just bring the batteries inside to charge it, you can do that. So there's a charging port up front. The batteries just rest right in here. Next, we're going to do our seat. So this is the seat. And this post just goes right in here. I like to tilt it back towards me so I can see, rest it in there. Then it should just fall down. You don't have to hold any levers. There is a lever on this side though. If you want, you can lift it and then the seat will lock every 45 degrees. Next, we're going to do, I'll do the front basket since it's right here. The basket goes up front. It slides onto this post right here. And then we'll do the arms next. To install your armrests, they're going to slide into here. You do have this that you're going to want to loosen. Then we'll slide this in. If this doesn't go in, then this needs to be a little bit looser. Then you can stop wherever you want. If you want the arms closer to you, you can go all the way in. You can bring them out further, but wherever you want them, you'll just end up tightening this. Also, in the back here, you have a rear docking device if you want to add a bracket or a rear basket or like an oxygen holder or anything like that. Same concept, you have this, you would just loosen and then tighten it all the way through so you can install different accessories back here. Make sure you do the arm on the other side as well. You also get a flag with this unit. There is an extender piece like this. In order to mount the flag, it has a little built-in holder right there. So you would just slide your pole through the top and then make sure it rests in that bottom right there. Then that's your flag holder. Now in our owner's manual, we have our key as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take the key out, see if we can get some power to the scooter. So our key is gonna go in the ignition, which is right here on the right-hand side. We'll plug the key in, turn it on. I do have power. So my scooter is now giving a 5 flash code. I'm going to turn the power off. What that means is when we flip the scooter in neutral to get it out of the box, it's still in neutral. So you can see I can freewheel the scooter. The scooter will not drive in neutral. That will disengage your electromagnetic brakes, which you need in order to drive the scooter. So whenever you put it in neutral, you have to remember to flip this back into the lock position. This will re-engage your brakes. We will turn on the scooter again. I don't hear any beeping. And it drives normally. Now we're going to go over the cup holder assembly. These are the 4 parts you have. So the first part is you've got this mounting bracket and then your actual phone holder. So this is going to go in here like this with a screw on the other side. You're going to take your adjustment knob and thread that on. I'll tighten it for now, and then we're going to install this end on the tiller. From here, to install it on your scooter, you have these little covers right here. They're just little rubber tabs. We're going to pop one out, and that reveals a threaded hole underneath. That's where the screw is going to go. So we're going to go through there, kind of push it in and try to tighten it. Now this screw is a 6mm Allen wrench, so if you need an Allen wrench to tighten it, which will most likely help, you can do that. But once that's tight, your cell phone holder is mounted. And then in order to use this, I actually have it upside down. We're going to spin it that way. So you can push these in, it'll lock. When you put your phone in, it'll lock that back and then hold it in place. Then you can just tighten this knob in the back wherever you get it, or whenever you get it in the direction you want it to face. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the new Buzzaround XL scooter. Now there is another scooter called the Buzzaround XL Plus. It's got lithium batteries, magnetic charge, it's got LED strip lights on the side. It's a really awesome scooter. You can check that out as well. I'll have a link in the description to that. If you are interested in this scooter, which is kind of the same thing but kind of stripped down a little bit more, I also have a link to this in the description below where you can find current pricing. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We'll make sure this is the right fit for you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6666. 6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.